After creating a bar setup, you're ready to create some samples. Click the New Sample button, and you're going to create what represents a shot on the Split Hopkinson pressure bar. So you can select your type. I'm going to select compression and call it sample 52. I'm going to fill in some parameters here. Oops. Something like that. You add a bar setup here. You can see the bar setup that you created, but you can't edit it. You would have to go into the bar setup editor page to do that. So after you selected your geometry and loaded your parameters and selected a bar setup, you're ready to go and add a data file. So this wizard should be able to load data in any format, any common format that's separated by tabs or commas. So I've loaded this 52 pico.txt, and the software split my data into columns like it should. When you click Next, it prompts you to double click the time column or enter a collection rate. I've got a time column, so I double click it. Looks like time data. I click this radio button, select my converter to seconds, and done. The column turns green. After you're done categorizing time, click Next, and now you double click each column and specify what kind of data that column is. So I double click this channel A. This is my incident strain gauge. I select the strain gauge. It's in volts, so I don't change anything here. And I click Done. It turns green. I click column B. This is my transmission strain gauge. I click Done. It's in volts. Okay. You don't want to do that every time, so you can save an interpreter that will do that process for you. So I'm going to save this and call it milliseconds-incident-transmission. You'll see why that is handy in the next video. So you've added a data file. You could add more data files, but for now I'm just going to move forward with these. In the next form, you trim your data. So you get 3 data sets from that loaded data file. You get an incident pulse and reflected pulse, which are the same data, but we're getting 2 subsets of the data off of one data file, so it gets separated. So you go through here and you select your data of interest. You can zoom in with this feature here and choose exactly where you want to start your data. After you're done trimming your data, you just click Done. And then all you have to do is save your sample. You can make another folder system here. Select the folder, click Save, and you just saved your first sample.